Hi everyone, I'm Jing, a Chinese teacher. So starting today, I'm launching a new video series on Chinese idiom stories covering 成语, 谚语, and 寓言. So first, let me break this down really quickly. 成语, idioms, are usually 4 characters long, sometimes 8, and they are more formal, concise, and often appear in historical dramas or classical writing. In modern life, you might see them in official documents or literary works when someone wants to show a touch of cultural depth or sophistication. 谚语 are proverbs with no fixed length. They come from everyday life and often carry simple but powerful truth. You still hear them now and then in daily conversation. 寓言 are short fables that teach moral lessons, usually through animals or fictional stories. They are not commonly quoted in daily life, but once mentioned, everyone immediately understands. So they are more about passing down a shared sense of value or wisdom. But in a nutshell, all of them are wise and condensed expressions in Chinese. So why should you know idiom expressions? Well, first, they are a shortcut to fluency. Each idiom packs a lot of meanings into just a few characters. So by learning only one idiom, you actually learn multiple words and concepts at once, and it can help you recognize these characters in other words in future. And second, they help you understand Chinese culture better. And last but not the least, well, let's be honest, they make your Chinese sound really impressive. In each video, I'll start by explaining the meaning of the idiom, along with example sentences and real-life situations where it can be used. And then I'll share the origin story behind it. And after that, I'll break down the characters in the idiom, their structures, components, and other common words they appear in. And finally, I'll read the origin story aloud and slowly in Chinese. So you can use this part as your listening practice or a bedtime story or just a relaxing way to absorb the language. So if you're excited to dive into the world of Chinese idioms, make sure to follow, like, and share. I'll see you in the main video.